I remember the last time I made one video like that, I told you guys about my SPORTYBET strategy. Now, I want to show you how I used to do my SPORTYBET team. You understand? First of all, let me make this clear to you. Me, I'm not a football professional. In fact, I don't even watch football. I don't even play ball. Yes, I'm not a big fan of soccer like that. But I used to play bet. I play bet for the pay, you understand? For that, my normal beer money, at least during the weekend. We should have spare cash to buy catfish, a grilled catfish and a bottle of Guinness Smooth or anything, to step down so you can think well the following week. That is just why I play SPORTYBET for fun. I do it for the fun. Because I don't even know how all these things you are seeing like this, all these 1.25, this, that, all these things, I don't even understand all these things. I don't understand this table very well. But so most of the games I play, I don't just come here and press games. I take game posted by people on what's it called, on Twitter, and sometimes on Telegram channels too. Although now I'm not in any football Telegram channel, I've deleted all of them. I'm focusing only on Twitter. So how I play my game is simple. I do not actually play these games to win. Me, I am a cash out man. If I see 90%, 100%, 120% of my initial capital, which is the money I use in play, I don't cash out. And another thing that I've noticed is, the bigger your deposit, so the bigger your stake, the faster your cash out will come. That is one thing I have noticed again when it comes to SPORTYBET. Let's say you are playing a game of 20 odds, and if I put 100 naira, you put 1k. The truth is, you will first me have cash out than me if the game is entering. You understand? You that put 1k, you first have cash out than the game is entering. Now, as a businessman that I am, if I put 1k for a game for 20 odds, I see cash out of 7,000, 10,000. Me, I don't cash out. Because why? I'm making almost 9,000 naira profit. That's a good business as far as I'm concerned. As far as we're in this country, that's a good business. So I'm not waiting to win anything. So in order for me to make more profit, now this is my strategy I'm telling you. In order for me to make more profit, if there is any week that I see a lot of prospects in the games, like the games for that week, there are tendency that the games will enter once they have shared the games. I will just do like 5k. Or I would do 1,000, or I would do 2,000. If I do 2,000, if I do 500, I will do 100 naira for 5 games. You understand? Or I do 5k or 1,000 naira for 5 games. So let's see, out of those 5 games, each of them I'm doing cash out of maybe 10,000, 15,000, 17,000. Let's say I'm doing cash out of 10,000. That is 50,000 naira for the weekend. Hello? I go pop something somewhere for the weekend now. I go day one bar. Bulldozer everywhere. So I want to, some of you are asking I should show you guys the what's it called, the places I'm getting these games from. So I want to show you. When you go to Twitter, let's go to Twitter. When you go to Twitter, these are like my top guys. Number one person that posts games where they see. As they go Twitter like this, follow me, join. Not be say you go Twitter, go follow me. So they go Twitter, follow me, join. I don't have a lot of followers on Twitter because they hack my account. This is a new account. This is a new account. So look at my account here. When you see. So this is I'm a content creator. I've told you guys before. I have a lot of YouTube channels, not just this one. I have YouTube channels that I'm not showing my face. I'm doing faceless YouTube channel. That's like my main business. You understand? I also do printing and branding. I have a printing company in Abuja. I do printing and branding, packaging, not those flex banner printing. I print on package. I produce cartons for product packaging and all those things. Understand? And then I write books also. I'm an AI lover. I know a lot about artificial intelligence. I do all those. This is my latest book that I just wrote. In case you want it, I'm giving it for free. You can just shout me up on Twitter. I will give you. And so this is a Bachelor Fan Loving will say. So this is my Damin. That's my Twitter name. So follow me too as it comes. So now only 40 followers I get. I'm not getting more than Follow me for Twitter too. So these are the people I get game from. Number one, and look at this guy, this Kome. This guy too used to post games. This guy used to post games, so I follow him up. I normally come online once and then I check his timeline if he has posted any game. If he posts the game, I click on it. So I'm just telling you my strategy. Then on that person you will follow is follow Oku. This is my number one guy in game them and then short die. Oku, that's his name. This guy is a biker, he's also a pilot, and he loves sport. He does sport for fun, not with do or die. So this Oku guy, he just post he will just post game, and his game are 99% sure that they will enter. Even if you're not sure, cash out. They do. There was a day he posted a game. Look, the game caught, but everybody win because he got to a stage. He now posted that everybody should cash out. Some people cash out. There is someone that cash out 900,000 from the same game because he stake a very big money. So this Oku, follow this guy. This guy get major plug. Like this guy they post accurate in game, they very accurate. Another person you should follow is Uncle. Okay, that's cool. Another person you follow is follow Maxi. Maxi is also good. This guy, this Maxi guy that I seen here like this. I used to collect game from him too, and he has been even this guy. I didn't mention him earlier on. I'm not following him, but I know him. This sport doctor, I know this guy too. I used to see Maxi used to retweet his tweet whenever he makes a tweet about football or he posts a game. Maxi used to retweet it. This guy, and then that Oku takes Maxi's game. So when Maxi posts game like this, Oku will collect the game. He will come go edit them to maybe lesser, reduce the odds and better options. Post them, so we won't collect from Oku side. You understand? But this Maxi guy says Sabi, so you can as well be taken from this Maxi. Then another person is what's his name? Another person is and this green this green dragon. This guy too is good. Like you can be taking games from him. He's part of the people in my list that I take games from. This green dragon. Then another person is this guy, what's his name? This guy, I think I've spoke about this guy. Yeah, I've talked about this guy. So this guy too. Then boss, sorry, this account. This is one of the most powerful Twitter accounts when it comes to prediction. So you can follow this guy too. You see that I'm following him. He also has a Telegram channel, so follow this guy too. This one, he posted this one 16 minutes ago. So people now, if you check all this account, if you click on this account now, you see that people are editing it. So even all these ones that people are editing, most times they enter. So how you want to carry know somebody who's be editing? Let's say, look at this guy now. When you click on this guy now, you see that a lot of person are inside waiting because this person knows how to edit. So you can click on the person's wall and then see that this person too is a football person. You get me? So that's how it works. You understand? Another person you follow is Sheezy. There is one girl like that. That girl they bet well. So this is it. Sheezy. You get me? Sheezy know this thing. The babe know this thing. Look at one day ago. So she win yesterday too. She know the team. You understand though? She know how to play the game. Like she sabi how to predict games. She they take her time they do. So these are the people they follow. Like these are the people I follow. So if you want to be using my strategy on SPORTYBET, remember me, I don't play to win. Neither do I play to lose. I play to cash out. This is how I do my thing. So I only comment because I don't know how to put games on my own. I don't know how to bet on my own. I cannot analyze anything except I'm using AI. Let me show you guys how I used to use AI to analyze games. So if I want to use AI to analyze, I'll just go to my I'll just go to my Google Google search here. Then let's say I will just ask for, okay, I've already said upcoming Premier League matches. So when I click on upcoming Premier League matches here, so let's say this is Chelsea, but if I want to play this game, it's on Saturday. So I will just click on the game. When I click on the game, then I will now copy it, because I know get strength to this, do plenty spelling. I will now copy it like this. Oh, sorry. I will now copy the thing. I will now copy the game. So when I copy the game, I will now come to my AI. So let me just show you. I'm coming. Let me just show you something here. Just hold on. Let me bring up my brush. So this thing you're seeing here is called Gemini. Before it was bad, they now changed it to Gemini. While this one is ChatGPT. Now, the difference between these two things is that ChatGPT is limited of information. It means that they program it for a period of time. Meanwhile, this Gemini, this Google Gemini, it belongs to Google, reports in real time. So it's always good to use Gemini when you're doing things that has to do with real time. I mean, things really happen now. So I use Gemini. So I'll just click on Gemini now. You see, I don't already copy the game I want to. So let me show you how I use AI to predict my games. Let the thing load. The thing is good. It makes me understand football. I can actually start something and start talking as if I know about football or something. But the thing is that I don't have an idea. I don't really have an idea about it or how it works or something. I'm just using my head. You get me? I'm just using my head. So I'll just click and I'll write. I'll just type. Coming. I'll just type. I'll ask the AI, what is your take on the upcoming match between, I'll just paste it, Chelsea and Burnley. So thing will just go. Let me show you how I use AI to do my own prediction. And I feel like this is good because I'm not playing to win, neither am I playing to lose. I'm playing to cash out. So here is the idea. I say the AI will give you we give you an analysis of both teams and then give you reasons why the particular team is going to win. So this is Chelsea, bounce back potential, attacking options, defense concerns. You can take your time and read it, you understand? Then I gave Burnley, desperate for a point, defensive focus, and then our struggles. Now we all know that Burnley is actually desperate for points in real life, and that is exactly what is happening here. Because why? Gemini is reporting on real life. The way the team be, that's why they report. That's why it just did. Then after that, this head to head more like a conclusion. You understand? So it's more like a conclusion to what they wrote. Now the prediction is saying that Chelsea will win the game 3-0, or they will play. Chelsea will win 2-0, or they will play draw 1-1. So with this team now, I can know what I want to bet. So I will just bet Chelsea to win, or I can put goal. That 1-1 goal will come out. 2 goals will come out from the game, or I will put over 1.5 home. Anything I want to put, you understand? Because I already have a clue of what will happen in the game. And bet me, if this game will see like this, no go pass like this. You understand? This game no go pass like this. This Chelsea and Burnley game on Saturday, you no go pass like this. So this is how I use AI to actually predict my games. So if you are the person that play, you use big money to play, and you want short odds, I think AI will actually help you a lot. Using this prompt that I just put now. Where is the prompt? This is the prompt. What is your take on the upcoming match between Chelsea and Burnley? So you can be using this prompt with Gemini. It's free. You'll be doing your team, playing your short odds games like that one by one. Before you go know, you don't collect better money. You understand? So that is just it. Apart from that one, this is how I play my own game. Here is my SPORTYBET. So I don't tell them before, say I don't know all these things. I know sabi all these things. I know if you come with the express, they play game. You call the express. Now copy and paste, I they do. I my own. I know sabi dey predict game, dey do all this na copy and paste. So when I copy and come put, I stay alert, I hold my phone, I keep refreshing and following up until when I see cash out that is worth cashing out, I don't click. My cash out no dey big. If I put 100 naira, I see cash out 2.5, I don't collect the money because how much be that is 2,400 naira profit. It's a good business. E better pass on POS for some sport where customers no plenty. I have 400 naira. The highest money I've ever deposited on SPORTYBET is 5,000. That's the highest money I've ever deposited on SPORTYBET. But you know that the bigger money you stake, the bigger your cash out will appear. That is just one thing you have to understand too. But me now, like this 400, I'm keeping it to play weekend game. I will play for sleep, 100 naira. I wait for my cash out. Any I be 10k will come out for out of all of them. So this is how I play. This is my strategy. I don't play to win, neither do I play to lose. I play to cash out. And if you want to be like me, follow the footsteps. Thank you.